Modern women will never admit this publicly, but there is a silent fear spreading through an entire generation. A fear their mothers never carried. A fear their grandmothers would find unrecognizable. A fear so powerful it now dictates how they dress, walk, speak, date, and behave. Modern women are terrified of looking feminine. Not because femininity is unattractive, not because femininity is weak, not because femininity has lost value, but because femininity now feels dangerous. Before we go deeper, hit subscribe and like the video. This is DepthRealm, where we expose the shadows so you can see the truth. Women today live in a world where looking feminine no longer signals strength, confidence, or identity. It signals vulnerability. It signals judgment. It signals risk. It signals exposure. And for many women, exposure is the ultimate fear. Femininity used to be an asset. It used to be celebrated, encouraged, admired, and embraced. But modern society reshaped the definition of strength. Strength became loud. Strength became aggressive. Strength became confrontational. Strength became masculine. And women were taught, directly, subtly, relentlessly, that their natural softness was something to be ashamed of. Somewhere between empowerment and expectation, between freedom and fear, between choice and conditioning, women received the message. If you embrace femininity, you lose power. So they responded in the only way the modern world rewards, by hiding it. And now, an entire generation of women unconsciously suppresses the very traits that once made them magnetic, emotionally rich, intuitive, graceful, nurturing, connected, and deeply human. This shift didn't happen overnight. It was engineered through decades of psychological and cultural layering. Women were told femininity makes you weak. Femininity makes you dependent. Femininity makes you prey. Femininity makes you less respected. Femininity makes you less successful. Femininity makes you less safe. So they adapted. They armored themselves. They built walls. They sharpened edges. They embraced aggression. They replaced softness with stoicism. They traded vulnerability for survival. They learned to present themselves in ways that communicated, I don't need anyone. I don't rely on anyone. I don't trust anyone. What men saw as hard to approach was actually afraid to be seen. What men interpreted as masculine energy was actually self-protection. Because femininity requires trust, and modern women don't trust anyone. Femininity requires softness, but softness gets punished. Femininity requires vulnerability, but vulnerability gets exploited. Femininity requires emotional openness, but emotional openness gets weaponized. Femininity requires surrender, but surrender feels like danger. So they reject what hurts. And femininity hurts in a world that treats women like they must be men to be respected. But let's go deeper. Modern women aren't afraid of dresses, or makeup, or long hair. They're afraid of the implications. They're afraid of looking feminine because feminine women are treated differently. Feminine women are sexualized. Feminine women are targeted. Feminine women are judged more critically. Feminine women are expected to be perfect. Feminine women are held to impossible standards. Feminine women are shamed more easily. Feminine women are seen as less serious, less intelligent, less competent. Femininity is no longer beautiful. It's a battlefield. And the modern woman carries scars. She learned that the more she looked like a woman, the more the world tried to control her. So she masculinized herself to survive the masculine world she was born into. But here's the plot twist. This rejection of femininity doesn't make women happier. In fact, the opposite is happening. The more women suppress their feminine traits, the more anxious, lonely, disconnected, overwhelmed, and emotionally numb they become. Because when a woman suppresses her femininity, she suppresses herself. Femininity is not makeup or dresses or soft voices. It's warmth. It's intuition. It's emotional depth. It's nurturing. It's playfulness. It's softness. It's vulnerability. It's connection. It's receptivity. It's creativity. It's the heart. But modern women have been taught that if they live in their hearts, they lose. So they live in their heads. They think instead of feel. They compete instead of connect. They protect instead of surrender. They succeed instead of bond. They act instead of receive. And then they wonder why relationships feel empty, why men feel distant, why love feels impossible, why dating feels like war. Women claim they're choosing themselves, but deep down they know the truth. They're choosing protection over identity. This fear of femininity begins early. A young girl who cried too much was called dramatic. A teenage girl who dressed feminine was called provocative. A woman who embraced her softness was called naive. A wife who wanted affection was called needy. A girlfriend who desired closeness was called clingy. A feminine woman who desired masculinity was called a pick-me. So they learned to numb themselves. Conditioning works. Society doesn't need to force women to hide their femininity anymore. Women do it automatically. They lower their voices. They harden their expressions. They stiffen their posture. They wear armor disguised as clothing. They speak like soldiers. They move like fighters. They flirt with caution. They express affection with restraint. They show interest with defensiveness. They present themselves in a way that says, I'm not soft enough to be hurt. I'm not naive enough to be deceived. I'm not dependent enough to be abandoned. But here's the darkest part. Under the toughness, modern women are exhausted. They are bone-deep tired, emotionally depleted, spiritually drained. Pretending to be masculine is exhausting for a feminine being. Because femininity is not weakness. It's oxygen. It's home. Now here's where men come into the picture. Women today are terrified of looking feminine because femininity requires polarity, and polarity requires masculinity. And masculine men scare modern women. Not because masculine men are dangerous, but because masculine men require feminine surrender. And surrender requires vulnerability. And vulnerability feels like death. A modern woman would rather be alone than risk losing power. She chooses independence because intimacy feels unsafe. She chooses dominance because femininity feels exposed. She chooses masculinity because masculinity feels defended. But ironically, the more masculine she becomes, the less masculine men she attracts. And the less masculine the men she attracts, the more unfeminine she becomes. It becomes a self-fulfilling loop. Women don't just hide femininity from men, they hide it from themselves. Because femininity requires feeling. And feeling requires the courage to admit pain. Modern women aren't afraid of femininity. They're afraid of what femininity forces them to confront. Their loneliness. Their desire for love. Their craving for protection. Their hunger for intimacy. Their exhaustion from being strong. Their longing to be held. Their desire to be chosen. their wish to not carry everything alone, their unmet emotional needs, their suppressed softness, their abandoned inner child. Femininity exposes all the things modern women were taught to hide. So they suppress it. But suppression has consequences. Modern women have never been more educated, more successful, more independent, more outspoken, more financially free. Yet never more burned out, never more disconnected, never more anxious, never more depressed, never more emotionally unfulfilled. Because power without polarity is emptiness. Success without softness is loneliness. Strength without surrender is imbalance. Independence without intimacy is isolation. Modern women may fear femininity, but their bodies crave it. Their nervous systems crave it. Their hearts crave it. Their souls crave it. Femininity isn't dead. It's buried under fear. It's trapped behind armor. It's suffocating inside the image of strength the world forced on them. The truth is simple but forbidden. Modern women aren't empowered. They're scared. Scared of being hurt. Scared of being judged. Scared of being abandoned. Scared of being rejected. Scared of being vulnerable. Scared of not being enough. Scared of being too much. Scared of loving. Scared of losing. Scared of feeling. Femininity isn't the fear, the pain attached to it is. And until women heal that wound, they will continue living in emotional exile from their own nature. Here is the final truth. Women aren't afraid of looking feminine because it's weak. They're afraid of looking feminine because it reveals who they are beneath the armor. And once a woman sees the part of herself she's been hiding, she can't go back to pretending. See the pattern. Protect your energy. This is DepthRealm.